India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
The order states that terms and reference will be issued separately. Now this itself shows how opaque or how confused this government is. What is the mandate and terms of reference? How do they move forward? You just cobble some officers, put them together and say there's a SIT form? Now after this letter, there is news reports that SIT has started arresting people. What is this? What is it? Arresting what? Under what law you are acting? Where are the terms of reference? Why are the terms of reference till today not made public? And when I asked this letter on the 16th, whether the SIT is constituted under the Commission of Inquiry Act, I'll show you so many committees. So many committees are formed. Just never seen the light of day. Soglo is just trying to divert attention, trying to create interest. We are looking seriously into it. Or will SIT finally become a cold storage? Will this SIT be supervised by a retired judge? TMC demands that this investigation should be time bound. Moment they catch hold of a case, it should be settled one way or the other. जी कोणाचे जागे फ्रॉड करून ट्रान्सफर झालेले आहा तिंका तो जस्टिस मेवतली जाल्यार फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट should be appointed. Otherwise you are fooling the people.